So this year Formnext is consisting out of 3 big floors. One floor is in hall 11 and it's just one floor, and then you have 12. It's floor 0 and floor 1. So now I'm going to show you overview from all the things you can see right there. So back there is already the wall of hall 11. So this hall is not that big. So if you have hall 11, you have to go to outside and go to 12. And that is where the most interesting things are. I didn't say that in 11 isn't that much interesting to see, but I don't know. So this is downstairs 12.0. Let's check that out. And then we have 12.1. So let's see what is there. So for some reason it's very busy at the Prusa stand. I have no idea why that is. Don't know for sure. Maybe it's some people that is there. So looks like Prusa has a new machine launched today, which I missed, but I will give you some closer looks on this machine because at this moment it's very crowded at the stand.
If you want just 2 extruders, it's about 2,500. And if you go for the 5-head extruder, it's 3,000.
So something that I noticed is that around the time of 5 o'clock, looks like parties are going to start on the Formnext. I don't know what kind of thing that is, but who knows? That was Zachary 3D prints from Formnext. It's now Thursday. It's for me the third and last day at Formnext. I'm going to head back to my hotel and well, we will see what I'm going to do next year. So see you later and make awesome things with 3D printing. Zachary 3D prints. Bye bye. Ta-da! I found my car in less than 1 minute. Yay!